What does a delivery manager do in Live9?
Well, it's a long answer, but I'll give you the short one. We help our customer build cool digital products. I can also give you the long answer.
Yeah, how do you do that?
Yeah, we do everything from project planning, stakeholder communication, risk management, quality assurance. Sometimes we also look into financials because this is also an important part of the job. So we do quite a lot of things. We wear many hats. A lot of us in delivery management and Levi9 are also Scrum Masters. So yeah, this would be the answer, just to cover up most of the areas that we do. Just imagine that most of us come with a team of developers, right? Mm-hmm. But we also interact with customers starting from onboarding up to building the product, maybe doing a bit of product discovery sessions in which we actually help the customer to better define what their need is and what do they want to build.
Sounds like a very easy job. No, trivial.
Well, yeah, that's why we need some help sometimes.